I need implants for upper and lower teeth. Does ToothHQ offer dental implants? If so, do you accept insurance for this procedure?
Great question. So the question is, I need dental implants for upper and lower teeth, and in ToothHQ, do we offer dental implants? And if so, do we accept insurance for this procedure? Great question. If you happen to be in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, which sounds like, and we definitely offer dental implants, and I always say this to my patient: this is all we do, and we do it well, and we are the dental specialist, and we do the implants all day long. So if you are needing implants for the top, we do it. If you are needing implants for the bottom, we do it. If we need implants for the top and the bottom, we do it. We can do them all at the same time. We say a lot of times in the same day dental implant, which means our same day teeth. And if you happen to have needing dental implants for the top and the bottom, and we put you to sleep, we put the implants up on the top, we put the implants up at the bottom. Before starting the procedure, we could have already made the teeth for you, and depending on what type of implants you're going to need, either we are going to give you like a denture like this following the implant procedure, or if you're opting for sometime what we call it as an all-on-4 or all-on-6, we are going to place the implant and then we are going to put the temporary teeth, and a lot of times these are screwed in temporaries. We are going to put the teeth and we are going to screw in those temporaries at the same time. So you are going to walk out with teeth that are not going to come out. They are going to be completely fixed in your mouth. Eventually these will be transformed into final teeth, and whenever we are going to replace them with the final teeth. And then do we accept insurance in our office? Absolutely we do. So talk to our office and call the office, make an appointment. We are going to see you for a free consult, and we are going to let you know what type of insurance coverage you have, benefits you have, and we are going to take it from there. And if you not happen to be in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, talk to your dentist, and then they should be able to help you. And I think we are coming to the end of our show. And again, thank you again for another great episode and great questions. And we ask you to follow us on the channel, subscribe to our channel, and we would love to have you guys, and see you on the next show. Until next time, you guys take care.
Bye.
Thank you so much. Bye, y'all.